All right, welcome to our very first RootsMagic tutorial video. I'm Caitlin, I am Sister Cox's TA, and in this video we are just going to go over the parameters that you need for your RootsMagic file and how to create that new RootsMagic file with the correct parameters. So right here I'm just on RootsMagic. I have pulled up just a database that I've been working in for the last little bit. But we are going to create our very own new database. So we are going to click on File and then go down to New. From here, we get this menu page. So there's just certain things that we need to make sure that we have turned on or off to make this so that you can create your RootsMagic file with all the correct parameters and everything for this class. All right, so the first thing it asks us is for a new file name. Students always wonder if there's something specific they should name their file. My answer is always, it doesn't really matter. So just name it something that will help you to remember what the database is, what the file name is. I would recommend maybe like the surname of the family that you're working with, but just something to help you remember. So for this, we're just going to put in the word draft. All right, next it asks us for the date format. So from this scroll down menu, we get a variety of options. So with this class, we are going to be using the European date system. So that is day, month, year. Instead of the American that's month, day, year, we are going to be using day, month, year. So from this scroll down menu, there's a variety of options to get that. We don't really care which one you use, just that you make sure you have the European system turned on. So you can use the 10 Jan 1959, 10 January 1959, or the all caps options down here. I'm just going to go for the 10 Jan 1959 right here. All right, next thing it asks us is the number to display after the name. So we don't require that you have numbers after the name in your database, but it might be a tool that you want to use. So there are two options that you might be interested in. There's the record number, and that is when RootsMagic goes through and numbers every single person in your database. It just assigns them a number. So that might be nice, like starting at 1, going to however many people you have in there. That might be nice just for organizational purposes, but you don't need that. I also want to point out the family search ID number. So this is when you have your person in the database and then next to them, their family search ID number appears. So that might be a nice option to have because that just makes it a little bit easier to toggle between RootsMagic and family search. So if that's something that you're interested in, and then go ahead and select that. I'm just going to click on none. All right. Over here, it asks just if we want to display our surnames uppercase. Once again, this is up to you. You can do it or you don't have to. I don't like to have my surnames uppercase, but you might want to, and that is fine. Okay, these are the two ones that we really care about. So pay attention. These are the most important. We want to make sure that you have the boxes for LDS support and family search, family tree support turned on. This is going to make it so you can import your database or import your family from family search into RootsMagic. So make sure that is turned on. And then enable web hints. Once again, you can have that on or off. Web hints is essentially where it will give you just little hints if they find something that might have to do with your ancestor on family search. Okay, so we've gotten all of these lined up the way we need. Now it says, what do you want to do after creating the new file? And you are going to want to select begin typing my information. Make sure that that is turned on, and then we'll click OK. Okay, I need to hurry and rename my file since there's already one with that. We'll just do draft or draft 3. Now we're going to click OK. And we should see pulling up our new RootsMagic file. Just right there. All right, and then once we have that, we can start to do our importing, which will be the next video. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Yeah, thank you.